As elections are approaching close by, we are very confident of winning a big majority in the forthcoming assembly elections, mainly on the strength of a strong performance that we have delivered over the last 5 years. So this election, the BJP is going to set a new record, returning to power with a bigger majority than what we have in the current assembly, because last time itself, I think we're securing a single party majority. We actually set a precedent, we set a record, and we are going to substantially increase our strength in the forthcoming assembly elections. That is the assessment that we get, independent sources, from our own party sources, and we are strategizing, we are doing everything possible to make this a historic way, something that never experienced, that was never secured in Goa electoral history. The kind of performance that was delivered at the state level, the kind of social security, social welfare programs that this government has undertaken, reaching a very large number of people directly through direct benefit transfers, ensuring gender development, ensuring development of women, youth, young women, old people, senior citizens. So we have really reached out to every section of the society. And this government, in terms of governance, in terms of development, has actually achieved a new record levels of performance. We've also given a stable government for 5 years, something that Goa had unfortunately not experienced for many terms. I think we have also, through 5 years of stable governance, we have demonstrated our capability to ensure development with political stability. And certainly the well-aware, politically conscious, highly educated people of the state of Goa will certainly want to reward the government, reward the BJP for this performance, and will want a continued growth and prosperity in the state of Goa. And at a time when we have a government at the center, led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, which has set new, which has taken some very bold decisions, which is being appreciated by people all across the country. So there is a wave of popularity that the government at the center enjoys today all across the country. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is seen as a messiah of the poor, messiah of the honest. For the first time, you people believe you have a government and a Prime Minister who can take bold decisions, who can take decisions in the larger national interest.